Yo, what's up, guys? Maggie Guitar is back with another episode of Lesson. Yeah. Shout out to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. I want to say thank you very much for tuning into my channel.
Another hits jam from
For today, I just want to show you some secret and basic tricks you can apply in your worship songs. Okay, when you are soloing over worship songs. Okay, I made a video on my previous some of my previous videos some times ago. Okay, so I just want to bring in some new tricks. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me how can I solo over worship songs. Okay, so I just want to give you some tricks that when you apply them, it's going to work for you. Okay, so without wasting much of the time, I would like us to go straight to the video. Okay, before then, if you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, all right, guys. Let's move straight into the video right away, okay?
Another hits jam from whiteloaded.com. My Lord and King, the one who gave his life for me. I'll raise the banner of his name until the nations born the champion of the host and captain of my That's why he's the
So like you can hear, like many things, like you can apply, you can solo over. Okay, I know most people, if most people that use a rock effect, if you have a effect pedal, okay, you can use your rock effect, okay, the rock sound to improvise it more essential than this. Okay, but I just want to show you some tricks. Okay, you can so number one tricks you should know is try and learn your scale in all the fretboard. Try and know all your scaling on the fret positions, okay, on all the fretboard positions, okay. Like that song you're hearing is in the key of G sharp, okay. That song is in the key of G sharp. So we have G sharp here also on the third string. We have G sharp here on the fourth string. Those are the roots, okay. Those are the roots. Number one, know your roots, okay. Know your roots, okay. So if you want to run your scale from this third string from here, okay. So you have your root here again. Okay, so you have your root here again. And so on. Okay, so number one, try and learn your roots. Try and know your roots in the key, in the root of your keys in all the fretboard, in all the fretboard positions, okay. That is number one tricks that can help you to solo all over the fretboard, okay. Like I can solo like you can see, you solo all over the fretboard, solo. That's one of the things that can help you, okay. Number two is learn how to play what we call Hammond and slot, okay, or some people call it pullover. You Hammond, then you play, okay, the Hammond, the slot, and the pullover, okay. So this is what we call Hammond. Hammond is like this, okay. Okay, that is Hammond. While the slot is something like this. Okay, that is a slot. Okay, that is a slot. Then for the pullover, okay, the pullover is a like if you want to play mi re do, you just pull over, you just pull it out, okay, something like this, okay. You just pull it out without wasting much of. But that is a pullover, okay. When you start working on that, okay, effectively, and it will have add more harmonies to your playing skills, okay. It doesn't need much stress. Only what it needs is just practice the right thing, okay. Then apply them into your soloing, okay. So the number three thing I'm going to show you is muting, okay. Something like. Okay, is muting. When you're soloing over worship songs, you need to try and know how to mute your guitar. There's sometimes that you just need to calm down and mute the guitar. Okay, you just mute the guitar before playing the note out, okay. Playing on it, okay, something like. Okay, so if you don't know how to mute, this is how you can mute your guitar. When you are on your string, any string you want to mute, like this key of G sharp, okay, you don't press the strings. If you press the string, it will bring out the note. You just put your finger on top of the strings and don't allow it to maybe hit or touch another string, you just put it on that string, any string you want to play, you want to mute, okay, something like that. Okay, okay, something like that. You just keep working on that, so keep practicing on that. Okay, those three things, okay, three tricks will help you, enhance your playing skill when it comes to worship songs. You're going to have perfection in your worship song. Many of you can even solo more than yourself, okay, depending on your consistency and the way you're practicing over it, okay. Like me now, I'm doing the lesson when I'm on inspirations or when I'm on stage, I might solo more than that, okay. They're just trying to give you some tricks that could help you, enhance your solo when it comes to worship songs, okay. So guys, I believe with these videos I've been a little help to you. So I'm going to say subscribe, okay. If you have any challenge, you can drop it on the comment section, okay. Drop it on the comment section wherever you don't understand. Smash the like button if you like this video. I really appreciate that, okay. So thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.